Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the sound problem failed to play test tone in Windows 10. So I was just playing a YouTube video and just found that the audio wasn't playing. So I just checked my sound. So I just went to this advanced tab and clicked on this test button, and I got a message failed to play test tone. So if you are also getting the same error message and your system sound isn't working, then I have some fixes for you that you can try out. So the first method is just go to the search bar and type services. Click on this search result services. Now just search for Windows Audio. Yeah, here it is. Just right click over it and click on the option restart. After restart, a process will start. Just wait for that process to complete and just check whether your issue is resolved or not after that process. So this was method number 1. If method number 1 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 2. Go to the search bar and type CMD. Right click over this search result command prompt and click on the option run as administrator. Click on yes. Now just type a command sfc space / scan now and hit enter. So what this will do is that it will scan the Windows file for any sort of corruption and it will repair it also. So just wait for it to complete this process. So just let it complete 100%, and after that just check whether your sound issue is fixed or not. I am just aborting this process. So this was method number 2. If method number 1 and 2 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. Go to this speaker icon, right click over it and click on the sounds option. Now go to the playback tab and just select the internal speakers and then click on the properties button. Now go to the enhancement tab and make sure that this option should be checked. Disable all sound effects. If it is unchecked in your system, then just check it. So this was method number 3. Now let's see the method number 4. Go to the advanced tab and just change the sample rate. So whatever the current sample rate is, just change it to something else and then just test the audio for your system. Click on the apply button, click on the OK button. So after changing the sample rate, just see whether your sound is working or not. So this was method number 4. If any of the method didn't work for you, then just try out the last method, that is method number 5. Just go to the search bar and type device manager. Yeah, just click on the search result device manager. Now just expand this sound, video and game controllers. Just select Realtek high definition audio, right click over it and click on the uninstall device. One thing I want to tell is that never ever click on this option. Just click on the uninstall button. After the uninstall is complete, just click on this yes button and just restart your system. After restarting your system, just check whether your sound issue is resolved or not. This Realtek high definition audio will automatically install itself. You don't have to do anything. You just have to check your sound. So these were the 5 methods that you can try out to fix the issue of failed to play test tone in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.